Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make some yummy French toast for breakfast. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe you'll need some bread, eggs and milk, and also cinnamon powder and sugar. So we'll start by cracking your egg in a bowl as shown in the video. Then we're going to beat it well so that it can be well mixed. After that we're going to add some sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sorry, I forgot to check that part of adding sugar, so I've used 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of milk. After that we're going to mix all the ingredients well so that they can be well combined. After mixing, your mixtures will be as shown in this video. Then I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You're going to let it heat on a medium heat. You'll then have your bread ready for the dipping. You're going to take a slice of bread, dip it in the mixture as shown in this video. You're going to dip it well so that it can soak all the ingredients well. After that, you'll place the bread on the hot pan ready for frying. So you're going to fry your bread for about 2 minutes on each side until it turns nicely golden brown as shown in this video. This is how your French toast should be. Be keen not to burn them. So you're going to remove it from the heat and set it aside. And then you're going to repeat the process of frying. So you're going to place your French toast on a pan. Make sure you cook each side for 2 minutes. Then you're going to remove it. This is the most simplest recipe anyone can try. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. Our French toast turned out so well. They look so delicious and they were yummy. Kindly don't forget to give this recipe a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn to make their French toast at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much for watching and let me see you in the next video. Bye bye.